What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? Got the Saab and the E39. Let me look at these. Hey, these junts are fire. These junts are fire. And my boy got new rims too. Clean. Clean. I bet. Hey, we have been in, you know, United States Marine Corps, shout out. Woo! Alright guys, we're going on a cruise. I don't think it's raining anymore. And my boy's camera shy a little bit. So yeah, we got my E90, the Saab 93 Aero. We actually got quite a nice little car group rocking for y'all. We just ate, we had a Baconator. I don't think I'd get a Baconator again, that's just me. This is my first time having a Baconator. It was not that good in my opinion. Think I'd make a better burger. So yeah, I got some really nice pair of Oakleys. I definitely, with the YouTube money I get, I'm gonna buy some Oakleys. But yeah, guys, look behind me on the E39. It's looking sweet. It's looking sweet. But yeah, guys, we're just cruising down this nice little road. Make sure you like this video, guys. It really helps my channel grow, my videos grow, makes me make more content. And subscribe to my channel if you're new. My name's Murtacus. I'm mainly posting car content, and we're growing. I mean, I think I just passed 2,220 subscribers at the time of this video. So shout out to all of the supporters, people watching this. I really appreciate it. I'm trying to make some new content with like other cars. So yeah, just be sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel if you've not. Let's get this channel rolling, you know? Hopefully we can get to like 10,000 subscribers soon. Like real soon. Testing out the grip on this. But the car feels so good, guys. E90 has definitely won my heart. For sure. I'd definitely buy another one. Probably rear wheel drive. I haven't driven a rear wheel drive one, but I wish I could like drift it. I know there's X Delete that I could get on this car. I think it saves with like gas and stuff, but I don't know, I just haven't gone that far yet. I have to get Beamer Doctor or something, some Beamer coating to get rid of that little symbol right there. Super annoying, but mechanically my car is really good. I'm gonna do spark plugs and oil filter housing gasket tomorrow with my dad. Probably do some content on that. But we're just chilling right now. Absolutely wonderful. I installed some Bosch windshield wipers. Highly recommend it for your BMW. Very, very, very good quality wiper blades. At least on the driver's side. The right side, on the passenger side, I believe I have some Michelin cheap stuff that I got from Walmart, but they're doing okay. All I really care about is definitely the driver's side. If you can hear that, that's my boy. He's got a muffler delete on it. Yeah, this car is insane, people. I mean, it's like wet outside. I could not do this in my Prius. And if I can't do it in my Prius, that means it's a good thing. Let's make sure there's no one on my right. We're cooling. I'm gonna take traction control off. Just for the giggles. I think we're slowing down. We lost my boy in the E39. Oh, he's pulling up. He's pulling up. Mama, mama. Guys, with traction control off, this car feels way more like, I don't know how to describe it, but definitely more like alive. I can like feel the assist with the traction control working, but with it off, completely different car. But yeah, guys, this is our little tunnel right here. I'm gonna do a quick pull for y'all. But yeah, I don't want to bore you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you've not. Oh, hear that? That's a nice sound. I need to get muffler delete on my car. But anyways, thank you for watching, guys. I'm gonna catch you guys soon. Peace.